Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg sauce updated. Start by soft-boiling eggs for 7 minutes and peel while preparing other ingredients. Blend yolks with a splash of lemon juice, mustard, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Slowly stream in oil for a silky emulsion, then warm gently in a pan if desired. Taste and adjust seasoning, add herbs for freshness, and serve immediately with bread or greens. Gather 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1/4 cup oil, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to start your egg sauce. Crack and separate if needed, soft boil or hard boil eggs based on texture preference. Mash or blend yolks with mustard and lemon until combined, then add oil slowly to form a stable emulsion. Warm gently if you prefer a saucier result, then finish with herbs and seasoning to brighten the dish. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more recipes your way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for all-day comfort while you cook and clean up. It's a small upgrade that makes kitchen time nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep a steady hand when emulsifying. Whisk or blend continuously as you pour oil to avoid breaking the sauce. If it separates, rescue it by whisking in a teaspoon of boiling water or starting with an extra yolk and slowly incorporating the broken sauce. Heat too high and you risk curdling, so warm gently. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and taste for salt before plating for the best balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.